In all my years of coaching, I've noticed one thing, and that one thing is that most entrepreneurs do not take the time out to fully plan out their year. And I don't know why they do that. For the life of me, I don't understand, because most of them know that a failure to plan is also a plan to fail. And with that being the case with most small businesses and some large ones too, they're actually planning to fail. Now, this is why I've decided to host a 2-hour planning workshop on Tuesday, December 28th. I'm hosting this workshop so that I can hold your hand and guide you through the process of planning out your year. Now, for those of you who don't know me, hi. My name is Toni Coleman Brown, and I'm the founder of the Network for Women in Business and the creator of the Entrepreneur Success University. And I want to help you to have one of the most profitable and successful years ever. And the only way to do that is by creating a plan. So let me tell you how this is going to work. What we're going to do is use a simple framework of what, when, why, how, or you can call it WWWH. We're going to figure out first what you want, because most people don't know what they want. When do you want it? Why do you want it? And how you are going to get it. Then we're going to calendarize your plans, which means we're going to simply spread it out on a month-to-month basis so you can break it down into actionable steps. This is a simple framework, and the process can be easily done on your own. But you and I both know that left up to your own devices, this will actually never get done. And you know that taking the time out to do this with a group gives you more accountability and a better chance of completing the process. And because of this, you need to register for this workshop now. Now, for something like this, I could easily charge $197, but I'm not doing that. Now, I can also say save 50% and pay only $97, but I'm not going to do that either, because I know that many of you probably splurge during the holidays. I'm only charging $39.99 for this valuable workshop. And for that price, you will not only get the chance to attend the workshop, but you'll also receive unlimited access to the replays and several other bonuses. Now, bonus number 1 is a free copy of my planning printables, which is valued at $27. Now, these business building planning printables, they're easily downloadable, and they include lots of printables that you can print out each and every month or every day and actually use them to grow and plan your business. And then there's bonus number 2, which is free access to my social media done right to save you time and money course, which is valued at $197. Now, for this course, it actually contains 9 lessons, 3 modules, and several bonuses of its own. And then there's bonus number 3, which is my free ebook on how to write sales pages that convert, which is valued at $19.99. Now, in today's marketplace, everyone needs great sales pages, and you definitely need to know the elements that can help your sales pages convert. And then bonus number 4, like I said, you'll have unlimited access to the replay and the worksheets, which is valued at $197. Now, all together, when you put these bonuses as well as the workshop together, it's over $440 worth of bonuses, with my free copy of the planning printables, the free access to my social media done right to save you time and money course, the free ebook, How to Write Sales Pages That Convert, and unlimited access to the replay and worksheets. You get all of it, over $440 worth of content and value for only $39.99. So now all that's left to do is click below and register, and I'll see you in the workshop.